Welcome to CableFinder. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to use the Multisite search feature. Hover over Searches in Quotes at the top of the page and select New Multisite Search. Download one of the approved Multisite search templates or click on Show Me How to see the 3 format examples of how to input your addresses onto your spreadsheet. All formats require a location name to be listed in column A, and then the addresses can be listed in a single column, spread out across multiple columns, or a blend of these 2 versions. Be sure to save your file in CSV format with no spaces or special characters in the file name, then upload to the tool. Your results will be returned back to your email associated with your profile in just a matter of minutes. Here's an example of the returned results processed through the tool. The first 2 columns will show you the request file and what was uploaded into the tool. Column C will show the formatted address per carrier standards thanks to Google Places integration. Moving along to the next column, we'll show you the cable company that address is serviced by, followed by the serviceability results for both coax and fiber. You have now saved your team countless hours and can pull together various marketing campaigns and SD-WAN deployments by knowing exactly where your customers sit.